You're looking at a Freightliner model FLU419, an industrial wheeled tractor. It's powered with a 5-cylinder Daimler-Benz diesel engine. The site can assist with tailgate loading, load out by appointment only. For more information, please refer to lot description below.
Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.